Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got another one for you people. We got 3 watch faces that I recommend you download in the Gear Manager store, and they're all free for the taking, so make sure you download ASAP. All right, this one's nice. I love the rugged look of this watch face. I love the simplicity. The name of it is called the White Lion Extreme Watch. It's not a bad looking watch face to wear from day to day, the work week, dress down, casual look. Now in the AOD mode, you're gonna get pretty much the same look as you would get for the Gear 3 when it's on. You'll still get your time at a glance with no problem. Again, when the watch face is on, I like the uniqueness of the watch face. I like the theme. I'm loving the background. The design is not bad at all. I'm going to give the developer 2 thumbs up in the door for this one, for this nice rugged look. Now, this is a 24-hour time. I have mine set on 12. I love this look. You get battery information. You get your date down at the bottom. You get your step info. For what everybody is looking for pretty much out of a watch face, and you're gonna get your heart rate information here, and it is interactive, and this is what I like about it. Now, a watch face like this that's free, I didn't think it would be interactive, but it is. It's not a bad look at all. You can't do it for the steps or the heart rate, and that's not bad, but if I double tap here, I can change the theme of the look in the background behind the time, and I thought that wasn't a bad look considering that this watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you guys check this one out. So let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Big Hour Gray. I love the simplicity. I love the uniqueness of this watch face, and in the AOD mode, I love the placement of the time. I didn't think it was going to be placed like that considering how the watch face looks when it's on, but this is not bad. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a simple digital watch face, but yet unique. Now, your hour time is going to be huge. It's going to be in big bold numbers. Your minutes are going to be a lot smaller, dead center. And I like the look. I do like the design of this one, very different. Down at the bottom, you will get your date. Up at the top, you will get the day of the week, miles walked or ran. The look is not bad for a simple, everyday dress down watch face. What do you think, guys? All right, let's check out watch face number 3 is called NSVS Watch. It's a very nice looking digital watch face. Very simple for every day, for dressing down. Now, in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a simple digital time. It does not look bad in the AOD mode. And even when the watch face is on, the theme of the watch face isn't bad. It is different, but yet nice. You're gonna get stacked digital time that's gonna be slanted out. Down at the bottom, you will get your date information. Up at the top, you will get your battery info. Now, you don't get no step status, but this is an everyday dress down watch face, which isn't bad at all. Now, this seems to be the free version of this. They do have a paid version that will probably allow you to customize it just a little bit more, but it does have a nice animation that's taking place within the background, which isn't bad, added on to the theme of the watch face. But at the end of the day, people, it's all about you and what you think. Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.